Good morning, everyone. It is the first day of spring, which I'm really excited about. I've got my sunflower cup right here full of my coffee, getting ready for this beautiful spring day. And then I look outside, and what do you think I saw? Well, let's go look together, because it's pretty wild. What is going on out there? It's snowing, if you can believe it. But I guess Colorado is full of lots of crazy, crazy weather. So it's snowing on the first day of spring. There you go. But since it is snowing, I know it's not a very nice day to go outside, so I remembered that we can always play muscle math. Muscle math is always a really great game to get your body moving and to get your brain thinking. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a piece of paper, so this way you can practice writing your numbers with me, and then you'll need a pencil or a pen or whatever you want to write in. I have lots of choices over here. I'm just gonna pick a pencil. Okay, and then I'll be rolling the dice so that way we can do it together. Okay, so let's see, the first exercise we're actually gonna do it a little different this time. We're gonna do 2 exercises for 1 equation that we write, okay? So that means we're gonna do, let's see, this first time we're gonna do jumping jacks and we're gonna do squats, okay? So whatever our answer is, that's how many we're gonna do. We're gonna do jumping jacks and squats. In case you forget how to do a jumping jack, I'll show you. Move my chair out of the way. Okay, jumping jack is like this. Your hands go up and your legs go out. So like this at the same time. Okay, and then a squat, remember when we were doing bicycle squats, you're gonna pretend like you're holding your handlebars and you're gonna sit down on your seat to go down the hill. Down, up, down, up, okay? All right, well, let's do our first roll and let's see what we get. Okay, here we go. All right, we have 2 and 4. Okay, so let's take our pencil and our paper. And remember, where do you start your letters? Always at the top, and you start your numbers always at the top. So let's write 2 first. So you're gonna make a small curve and then a line. So you start at the top, almost like you're writing a backwards C, make a longer line, then a short line, okay? So we have our 2. Now we need our plus. Remember, plus is just a cross. Plus, how many? 4. Okay, so 4 is pretty easy. Small line down, small line across, then a long line down. So you should still see a little bit of this edge right there. Okay, now what are we missing? Equals. Okay, now we have to find out how many that is. So, easy way is to take 2 fingers and 4 fingers and count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. All right, let's go back and write 6. So 6 is like writing the letter C, but you keep going into a little circle. All right, that's how many we're gonna do. How many squats and jumping jacks? Ready? Make sure you have plenty of space. All right, 6 jumping jacks. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now 6 squats. Ready? Arms out like you're holding the handles. Feet spread apart, not too far. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice job. Okay, let's do another equation. And how about, let's do push-ups, and I'll teach you a new one. These are called toe touches, okay? So I'll show you really quick. Remember, with a push-up, being on your knees is a lot easier. So you go down to your knees, you cross your one leg over the other, just your ankles, then you kind of go out forward. Okay, not too far because you don't want to be all the way out here. You kind of want to be right here. Your hands should be right below your shoulders. And then you let yourself down really slowly and push back up. Okay, so you're not moving this part of you, you're keeping that part flat and you're moving your body down. Okay, now toe touches are really fun and they work these little muscles on your belly. And those muscles are important to have really strong because those are the muscles that keep you upright. So you want those to be strong. So you lay on your back. You put your toes up to the sky. You can even wiggle your toes. And then you're going to use your hands, your fingers, to reach for your toes without moving your legs. So your legs are always going to stay straight. Okay? So you're going to go like this. Just moving, getting your shoulders off the ground. You see how my legs are staying straight the whole time. So those are toe touches. All right? So we'll do push-ups and toe touches. So let's see what our next roll is. Ooh, oh boy. Okay, let's see what we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we just wrote a 6 here, so we already know how to write that. So go ahead and write a 6. We add our plus, and then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. So 5 is pretty easy. You start with a small line on top, because we always start our numbers at the top. Small line down, and then the 5 needs a big round belly, so it's like a backwards C. 5. All right, let's put our equals. Okay. All right, let's take our fingers, or if you have something else you like to count with, like Legos, or if you have counting bears at home, that's totally fine. You can use that. I like to use my fingers. So we know this is 5, right? Because we have 5 fingers on our hands. When we add one more, we have 6. So now we just have to keep counting up 5 more times. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh boy. This is gonna be kind of challenging, but I know you guys can do it. All right, so 11. So let's go back to our paper. So 11 is just 2 number ones. So 2 lines, 11. So we'll have to do 11 push-ups. Maybe we can take a little break in between each push-ups. And 11 toe touches. All right, here we go. This is gonna be a tough one, but we gotta get our bodies strong and healthy and moving. So let's do it. All right, so remember push-ups first. I say, why don't we let's do 6 push-ups first, and then we will only have 5 left, just like our equation. Okay, so go down on your knees, cross your ankles over each other, come out a little bit, and then we're gonna do 6 push-ups. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew. Let's take a breather. Take a nice big breath. And one more. All right, now we only have 5 left. That's not too many. All right, let's do it. Cross your legs over each other. Put your hands out, and here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, 5. Whew. That was even hard for me, but I'm sure you guys did it. All right, go ahead and stretch those arms. Usually I like to stretch my arms like this, where I do circles. It stretches those arm muscles really well. You want to make sure that you're stretching in between exercises too. Or take your arm, bring it to the side, wiggle your fingers. Other arm. All right, now let's do our toe touches. So lay down on the ground, and you can lay down on the mat, or you don't even need a mat. You can lay right on your carpet if you have carpet, something comfy that your back won't hurt. Put your feet straight up, wiggle your toes. All right, and then we're gonna do, how many was it? 11. 11 toe touches. So get your arms straight up. And remember, we're not bending our legs. We're trying to reach for our toes, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whew. So you can start to feel your belly muscles, your abdominal muscles. Those are the muscles that keep your core strong. Your core is really important because, like I said, it keeps everything upright. All right, how about we do one more equation, okay? So this will be our last set of exercises, and then we're just gonna do some breathing exercises, maybe some yoga poses to kind of calm our bodies down after that long, hard workout. All right, here we go. Let's see, we have 5 and 1, 2, 3. Awesome, okay. So we already wrote a 5 up here, so let's write another one. Remember, small line, big curve. Add our plus, and then we need to write a 3. 3 is a really fun number to write. Remember, you start at the top, you go bump, bump. So 2 curves. Okay, and then let's find out the answer. All right, get those fingers up. 5 fingers up first. 5, then let's count up 3 more. 6, 7, 8. 8 is our answer. That's also another really easy number to write. So we have little circle on the top, almost like a snowman, and a big circle on the bottom. 5 plus 3 equals 8. All right, so let's see. I'm trying to think of an exercise we haven't done. We've done squats, we've done push-ups, toe touches, jumping jacks. Oh, I know, this is a really fun one. We'll do bicycle kicks for 8 seconds, and then we will do, we'll do a chair sit. Okay, so these are really fun ones. So bicycle kicks are really good for your legs. Your legs are also really important because you use them all the time. That's how you get around. So bicycle kicks first, and then we'll do chair sits. Chair sits are also going to help strengthen our legs too. All right, so for a bicycle kick, you're going to get onto your back. You're going to kind of get your booty off the ground, and you're going to pretend like you're riding a bicycle, okay? And we're going to do the bicycle riding fast, so that way it gets our heart rate elevated a little bit. Okay, so we're going to do it for 8 seconds, as fast as you can go, okay? The faster the better, all right? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see how you can kind of feel that in your muscles right here, in your legs and your thighs. Those are called your quads. All right, so now, what did I say what we were gonna do? Oh yeah, we're gonna bicycle kicks and oh, I'm having a brain fart. All right. Let's see if I can remember. We were gonna do bicycle kicks and chair sits. Okay. All right. So chair sits are really easy. They also are gonna make your quads really strong. You're just gonna pretend like you're sitting in an invisible chair. So here's my chair. I'm gonna pretend my chair is super comfy, super soft, and really, really comfortable, and it has really great armrests. And my chair has a floral pattern on it. It's all flowery for spring, and it's super comfy. Okay, you can imagine your chair looks like whatever you want your chair to look like. All right, so I'm gonna pretend I'm sitting in my chair, drinking my coffee, looking out at a beautiful spring day. All right, so you want your feet kind of spread apart with a little bit of space, not too wide, but just wide enough. And then you are gonna sit. Try not to go all the way down because you don't want your butt hanging below your knees, okay? So you're almost like we're doing a squat, but you're holding the squat. You're not gonna come back up, okay? For 8 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And come back up slowly. So you can kind of feel how it's like starting to hurt a little bit here. That's your muscles getting stronger. All right, now that we have finished our workout, you can feel your heart. Mine's definitely beating pretty fast. So now we want to slow our hearts down, slow our bodies down. So we're just going to take a few breaths, maybe do a few yoga poses. I'll show you some of my favorite ones that help my body calm down. So find a space, like a mat or a blanket, or even just on your floor, and take a seat. So we're going to sit crisscross first. Okay. And while we're sitting here, go ahead and close your eyes. We're going to try to keep our eyes closed this whole time, unless I tell you to open your eyes, and just so we can change poses and you can see what I'm doing. But right now we're going to close your eyes. Maybe listen to if there are any sounds around you. Notice what you hear. Maybe you can hear some things outside. Do you hear any birds? And just take breaths during this time. I think together we're going to do 3 deep breaths, birthday candle breaths. So you're going to pretend like you're blowing out candles. So get 3 fingers, put 3 fingers right in front of your lips. Every time we blow out a candle, we will put 1 finger down, okay? So here we go. Big breath in, as much as you can hold. Then breathe out and blow out the candle. Alright, put 1 finger down. Now we have 2 candles left. Big breath in, as much as you can hold. And blow 1 candle out. Alright, last breath. As much as you can hold, as big as your lungs can get. Take an extra sip of air and blow out. Alright, you can open your eyes. We're going to stand up really slowly. We're going to do these movements nice and slow and with intention. Alright, first we're going to reach high up to the sky. Take 1 breath. And when you breathe out, you're going to do cactus arms. Ready? Nice. This is cactus arms. You look like a cactus in the desert. Now breathe in again. Breathe out and cactus arms. And one more time. Breathe in. Reach as high as you can, higher than you've ever reached. And cactus arms, breathe out. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sit on our mats with our legs facing outward. And we're going to breathe in. And when you breathe out, try to touch your toes. It's like we're folding into a sandwich. So we can pretend, what are you putting on your sandwich? I love peanut butter with raspberry jelly. Okay, so I'm gonna smooth my peanut butter down on one piece, smooth my peanut butter or my jelly on one piece, and now we're gonna take a big breath and squish those pieces together to have a delicious peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Ready? And squish. Now just kind of hang out down here and let those flavors melt together. We're going to stay here for one breath. Make sure that your legs, that you don't feel pain anywhere. This should feel good, like a good stretch. So if it's a little painful, you can kind of bend your knees a little bit, okay? All right, we're gonna stay down here for one big breath. Ready? Breathe in. And breathe out. And come back up slowly. All right, let's go get back into crisscross. So now I want you to close your eyes, put your hands on your heart. Feel if it's slowed down a little bit. Maybe if it's still a little fast. That could be your body's way of telling you to maybe take a little rest for a second. One of my favorite poses to do is, it's called child's pose, just like you guys. So child's pose is really, really nice. If you feel like your body needs to rest a little bit more, which maybe my body could, the way you do it is you're gonna be on your knees. Your knees are kind of spread out into a V, okay? And your toes are touching, your big toes are touching each other. And then you just kind of lay your body down like this with your head facing the floor. And you can take a few breaths here. And then when you're ready, you can come back up, feel your heart again. And if you need more rest, then you should rest. And if you're ready to move on with your day, then I hope you have a really great first day of spring. Hopefully it'll stop snowing soon and then you can get some fresh air. I know that's what I want to do later. So until tomorrow, I'll see you later. Bye.